Imagine having the power to truly understand what captivates your visitors and what doesn't. Businesses often struggle to measure real-time engagement. Questions linger. Are visitors genuinely interested? How long do they spend with each product? Where do they lose interest? Using advanced computer vision and analytics technology, it's now possible to measure visitor engagement with unprecedented accuracy. Every smile, every pause, every interaction captured and analyzed. Facial expressions reveal positive, negative, neutral, or uncertain sentiments, providing clear insights into visitor experiences. With precise heat maps, businesses can now pinpoint exactly what's working and what needs improvement, optimizing every display and interaction, boosting visitor satisfaction by 25% and increasing dwell time by 35%. Ready to transform your visitor experiences into actionable insights? Discover exactly how visitors feel, think, and engage. Contact us today. Turn every interaction into an opportunity. Visit now at www.findability.ai.